You understand, guys? So that is the problem. Totally. Can you please teach me Forex? Yo guys, you know whatever that's happening here, man, it's a mess. Like, there's a lot of water in my car, man. That's the ninja. I know who you always say. Just change once. If it doesn't work for you, it doesn't stop and stop complaining and change. You can't, that's what I'm saying, man. Like, people feel like parliamenting where you come here and complain every day saying there's no electricity, it's low shady, yeah, fix the road, it's potholes. You have a choice. Then change. Brokers are playing their part.
Hi guys, welcome back yet to another video. This is Mr. Forex and Beyond. I just want to tell you about the broker that I'm using, which is AAA and how easy to register and deposit. Firstly, as you can see here, you just go to the live account and then from there you fill in your details. After filling in your details, the next part is to upload your documents, which takes only 2 seconds, and the verification of your document only takes less than a minute. After verifying all your documents, now the next stage, it is for you to choose the type of account that you want, stuff like leverage, the basic stuff like leverage that you want according to how you trade or your strategy. After that, boom, you have created your account. Now what is left, it is funding. How are you gonna fund your account? You go to the tab that's written funding on the left side of your screen, and then you choose the type of transaction that you wanna take. There's a lot of transaction method or deposit method. You've got Skrill, Bitcoin option, you've got the card option. Well, I personally chose the Bitcoin option, of which I just pressed on the fund next to the crypto option, and then I go to my crypto exchange platform, of which some of you may use Luno or use Coin Exchange or Binance. So it is quite easy. You just press the fund button, you copy the e-wallet address, and then you go to your crypto exchange platform, be Coinbase, be Luno, and then you paste that address on it. They're gonna send you the code to verify your transaction, and then you just need to wait for less than 15 minutes or 30 minutes for the transaction to be completed, especially with the Bitcoin if you choose the Bitcoin option. But it is quite easy, guys. So make sure that you hit the link button, you register your own account with AAA, and then from there you start trading immediately on the same day. So it is quite nice, guys. See you on the other side. Register your account with AAA right now and begin your trading journey.
Alright, I'm back. Yeah, like I was saying, guys, you know, we don't have to blame anyone. Like, we need to play our own part. I can't be coming here every day saying, hey, this, that, brah, hey, One thing I understand is that the money that I withdraw from a broker is the broker's money. And they want my money, I want their money. So they should play their part, I'll play my part. Even if you go to you know, at least, man, the broker that I'm using only has off codes. Other brokers, you can't even, 10K only enters 2 entries. So, it's part of the game, Donna. Like, I don't know what you guys want, but at the end of the day, man, it's whatever you want, you know. That will come best. It's whatever you want. Batobola iso apakuru. Zwazweo. Yeah, Korbon will end up talking unnecessary information. That's man, like, you know, I'm still regretting for people who made JP markets to be closed, because We're making money out of that broker. And then someone was a trader. Otobolela machila. Go to only know already broker tse di vai tsa mo Mzansi. Ke a le chela ka se drive number 7. Now I driven it guy FX Pro, but I don't believe now you guys can do it. It's the hardest. Mana mo ke double a million in garage sale jo. So I'm telling you now for me guys, let's pray these brokers they don't leave so that we can make money out of them. I make a lot of cash from NFP, CPI. I make a lot. Let's talk about NFP. What am I gonna say about that? Icon, that broker was killing us. Okay, my question: what was killing you with? Bishop. What was killing you with? In fact, also trade. Admit. You know what the problem is? The market is not your father's place and it's not your mother's place. You need to relax. If you feel angara trader, leave the market alone. Or the orange. Here it's the problem is mentors are selling a lifestyle, not knowledge, but you're still buying the lifestyle.
Nanya kas, kita kumuri ya.